dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cozcreations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone here in Florida. I am glad you're here. I'm going to be doing a swipe. I haven't done a swipe in a while, and those of you who've known me for a while know that I'm a swiping kind of girl. I've just been fiddling with new things, experimenting and trying things, and that is part of the wonderfulness of this painting journey, guys. But every once in a while it's good to get back to your roots. So I'm getting back to my roots today. We are working on a reused canvas. It's a 10 by 20. It's a gallery wrap canvas, and I gessoed it because I got a big old thing of gesso. So I put some gesso down. I probably could have used another coat, but I'm like, what the heck? We're just gonna fiddle here a little bit. And I'm working with some yummy colors, and they're all leftovers, which is also part of the fun. In this cup right here, becoming one of my new favorite colors, because I'm a neutral kind of girl. That is Amsterdam, their standard series, and that is their Pewter, also known as tin, and it's a glorious neutral, kind of grayish, tanny. There's even a little hint of silver in here. And this is our base coat. You know what? I might even add it to our swipe line as well. Our base coat, as well as all of our other coats, all of our other paints, are mixed the same way with my swiping pouring medium. I put my paint in the cup. I gave them all a squirt of Golden GAC 800, stirred that up real good into the paint, then added my pouring medium. My pouring medium is kept in a big old jug, and it is 50% American strained Floetrol and 50% Liquitex pouring medium, the one with the black and gray label. So paint, squirt of GAC 800, stir, stir, stir. Pouring medium, stir, stir, stir. We're about 1 part paint to 2.5 to 3.5 parts pouring medium. It depends on the paint. If it's a high pigmented paint, it can take more pouring medium. If you add too much pouring medium, how do you fix that? Say your colors start to go muted and don't look as intense and strong, just add another squirt of paint to it. So, Amsterdam Pewter, gorgeous, gorgeous color. And that will be our base coat. These are all leftovers from previously this week in this cup right here. Yummy Goodness Golden Fluids in the Iridescent Bronze. Right here, Yummy Goodness Golden Fluids in the Turquoise. Super Yummy Goodness, and I haven't used it in a while. This is Golden Fluids in the Iridescent Copper. This right here is Modern Masters Metallic Snowflake, and it's also got a squirt of Vallejo Pearl Medium in it. I've got like 6 of these bottles. A couple of them were gifted to me, and so I want to use it up. So I added that to the Modern Masters Snowflake. It's just got a squirt or so in it. Let's take a look at our consistency. It leaves very little trace before it falls into the paint below. Our swiping tool of choice today is cut up pieces of damp Bounty paper towel that I wet the bottom inch of. What else? I think that's it. I'm going to do it in this orientation, and the reason is if you're doing a swipe going vertically, it's the long way. And if you're doing your swipe line down the middle, your paper towel or your swiping tool has more room to travel this way, and generally you'll run out of the excess paint on that paper towel, which gives you a lot of negative space. So if you're into your negative space for a particular swipe, swipe vertically. If you're not, swipe horizontally. Less real estate to travel down. So that's a really good pointer. What else? I speed up my videos because I really take my time with this, guys. I dance around, I listen to music, I holler out to Lido, who's standing right outside. So I speed things up. A couple of times I'm going to show you real time with my swiping because I swipe very, very slow. A lot of people think that if you travel quickly, you keep a straighter line. To me, it's the exact opposite. I move very, very slow on my swiping. Some people think that I'm going in slow motion. I'm not. I move very, very slow. So, yeah, that's it. I'm going to put some music on. I am going to get busy swiping. I'm glad you're here, guys.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. All that I've been dreaming about, it is all too close. I got it all, but I'm paralyzed. I don't know which way to go. But I keep walking right into your arms, and even falling. I'm falling with you, I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I figured it out, this is all 'cause of you. 'Cause you take my breath away. All the voices inside my head used to be my only friend, but they go silent